graduate immigration route do you think it makes job hunt easier for students? So the next question is, please make a video on points-based PR system of UK for accounting and finance guide. So I have made one video on the points-based system in the UK, and if you haven't watched it, please watch it. I'll put the link in description. It might be helpful for you. And yeah, the points-based system is very similar to for everyone else. So there is no special help unfortunately for accounting and finance people because it is not under STEM. But yeah, other than that, it is all the same laws applies for accounting and finance. So yeah, please go and watch that video, and if you have any doubts after that, please feel free to message me again on Instagram. So the next question is, please आप finance का scope बताओ भाई और ACC का क्या demand है UK में. So okay, so someone is asking that what is the scope of finance and what is the demand for ACCA in the UK. So accounting and finance is the biggest sector in the UK, and for finance it is the financial capital also of the world. So there are jobs in the UK, but they are very competitive because people from all over the world want to get jobs over here. So they are very competitive. You have to be good in your communication skills. You have to be good in your psychometric test. You have to be good in your interview skills. Then only you'll be able to get jobs, and you need to keep on applying. So you need to know how to manage with your failure. Otherwise, if you lack in any of these four also, you won't be able to get jobs over here. So that's the truth. And the scope of ACCA, okay, ACCA is well recognized in UK, and a lot of the companies sponsor ACCA over here, and that's what I am doing right now. And it is highly valuable to do ACCA, but with ACCA generally over here the companies offer work experience also. So if you have ACCA plus work experience of working in an accounting industry, that would be really helpful. So next question is, best tips for university application. So best tips I would say is make sure you've done enough research, because a lot of people don't do their research before coming to UK. So they just listen to the advice what their counselor has given them, which is not fair, especially on your parents, because they are ready to spend like 15-20,000 pounds. That is like most of their life savings. And if you can't be bothered to do a research before they're spending that much amount, I don't think that is fair on your parents. So please do your research over here before coming. Look for the things what you want in your course, is it there? Look for the university. And if you haven't watched my video for how to decide your university or how to select your university, please make sure you watch that. I'll put the link for that one also in description, so that might be helpful. So yeah, but the main point is do your research, do your homework before coming. Okay, so then someone has asked, needed some guidance about MSc Business Analytics from University of Liverpool. So I don't know what specific guidance you need, but in general, Business Analytics is a very good course. A lot of people over here are doing Business Analytics because it is type of new course, like going to Business Analytics, Data Analytics. And yeah, like a lot of companies now want data analytics guy and data scientists. But again, if you want to get a job over here, keep applying, do your psychometric tests, practice, prepare for your interviews, because it's not easy to get a job in UK. Period. Simple. It's not easy. How can I request for a scholarship? So for scholarships, you don't need to request. So different universities offer different types of scholarship. So the best thing is, go to university website you are applying to, look for these scholarships, and then some scholarships are given to you by courses, some scholarships are given to you by the country origin. So yeah, look for that on university website, and then there would be option of looking for course specific scholarship when you look for the course and look for fees and funding. So yeah, it would be all written on university website. So go and search on university website. I'm sure you'll be able to find it. And then if you have any doubts, you can always email university regarding that. So next question is SEMA or ACCA, which one is better? So SEMA is generally done for if you want to be a management accountant or financial accountant, but ACCA is done, it is basically but ACCA whereas covers everything, that covers your tax, financial management, audit assurance. Okay, then it also have law. So it covers everything, and it depends on what you want to do career wise, whether you want to go in management accounting or something, or you want to work in a finance role in an industry. So yeah, it depends on what type of role you want, and then you can decide whether you want to do SEMA or ACCA. Both are equally good, but ACCA is a little bit difficult than SEMA. And I'm gonna make a video on these accounting qualifications also over here, because there are a lot of accounting qualifications. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video on that soon. So the last one is graduate immigration route. Do you think it makes job hunt easier for students? So I definitely think it makes a job hunt really easy for students, because earlier that students used to have 6 months in which they have to find jobs, and the company should like sponsor them. But right now, because of this PSW, graduate immigration route, it gives chance to student to work without any sponsorship and prove to the companies that they are worth it. So if you're working for a company and they do like your work, but they will sponsor you, because it takes a lot of money for a company to hire new people, because they have to pay around to recruiters and advertise. So if they like your work, they will sponsor you, because it will be cheaper for them. So it has definitely helped you. You can apply for different types of job, because earlier you could only apply for companies that have tier 2 licenses, but now you can apply for any type of job. And students who are coming over here and they're not able to find jobs, they can at least work some jobs and get their money back what they've invested in studies. So it has definitely helped students. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you find these answers useful, and thanks for everyone who has asked me question over there. Thanks for engaging with me. So if you have any other questions or doubts, please message me on Instagram or try to comment below. I'll try to answer whenever I can. But yeah, if you want something urgent, message me on Instagram. That's the best way to connect with me. And see you soon with a new topic.